Good day, sir. I am Ryan Christian Lacan and I'm going to discuss with you the basic information of soil. So, soil uncover understanding nature's leading resource. So, first, what is soil science? Soil science it is a science that deals with the study of the soil as a natural resource on the surface of the earth, which includes there are one, two, three, four, five, six surface which are rather soil formation, classification and mapping, physical properties, chemical, biological and fertility properties, properties in relation to their management for crop and production. So there are two approaches in the study of soil science. So first is pedagogical approach. Do you know what is pedagogy? Pedagogical approach is so it is considered soil as a natural body with major emphasis on its genesis and classification as it occurs in the inquiry method. So we have the second one is edaphological approach. It deals with the influence of soils on living things, particularly plants, including human use of land for plant growth. So it is used and as it said here that it include human use of land for plant growth. So we have 8 field of specialization in soil science. When you continue in soil science, you have this 8 field of specialization. First one is soil fertility. Second one is soil physics. Third is soil microbiology. Fourth is soil chemistry. Fifth is soil conservation and management. Sixth is soil survey and classification. Seventh is soil mineralogy. So we have soil fertility. It is the study of the status of a soil with respect to the form, amount, and availability of nutrient elements necessary for plant growth and development. So the second one is soil conservation and management. It is a protection of the soil against physical loss by erosion or chemical deterioration, totality of all tillage operations, cropping practices, fertilization, liming, and etc. conducted on a soil for crop production. So the third one is soil microbiology. It is a characterization of important groups of microorganisms in the soil and their role in the physical and biochemical changes. Soil genesis, morphology, and classification deals with the structural characteristics, mode of origin, and systematic arrangement of soils. Do you with me? Soil physics deals with characteristics, properties, or reactions of a soil which are caused by physical forces and which can be described by equations. We have soil chemistry and mineralogy. It is the study of the original rocks and minerals which constitute the materials from which soils are derived, characterizations of the reactions of the nutrients in the soil and limit soil solution. And the last one is land use. It deals with the utilization or allocation of lands for general or broad purposes such as agriculture, forestry, settlement, and military reservation. So we have the uses of soil as a natural resource. So we have four. The first one is medium for plant growth. Second one is system for water and purification. And the third one is habitat for soil organisms. And the last one is medium for waste disposal and nutrient cycling. So we have an uses or functional of soil. So solid and good foundation material for building roads and highways and also is exerting strong influence on the lifespan of these structures. This engineering uses soil demand, knowledge of the diversities of soil properties which vary from one location to another. The foundations of houses and factories, thus determining whether the foundations are adequate. Soil is an important building material in form of earth, fill, and big bricks. And absorbing medium to domestic waste through septic sewages system and other wastes from industrial, municipal, and animal sources. So we are in conclusion. So soil is more than just the ground we walk on. It's a living, breathing resource that supports in life in countless ways. From growing our food to filtering water, supporting buildings, and sustaining ecosystems, soil plays a vital role in our everyday lives. So yes, understanding its science, how it's formed, how it functions, and how it can be preserved allow us to use it wisely and protect it for future generations. As we've seen, soil science is a multidisciplinary field that touches everything from agriculture and construction to environmental conservation. So what I um give to you is that let's respect and care for this essential resource that quietly supports light beneath our feet. So thank you very much for listening to my discussion, and this ends now.